7 o'clock in the morning.
Start now. Right. Cut. No, start.
7 o'clock in the morning, I'm just filling up.
Filling up what?
A Coke can.
Look like you're drinking the fucking iced tea out of a bottle.
No, I haven't been in bed yet.
Right.
Yeah, life goes on.
So how are you feeling about that?
That's great.
Pretty good.
Gonna catch a big fucking gummy.
Big gummy. Tucker's gonna catch a big gummy.
Life goes on. Hey, you're out of fuel, mate. You're out of fuel. Fucking get off, you little fucking midget. Point you're on, I'll fucking ask you. Get on. Fuck, I'm fucked.
You listen to instructions.
Yeah, but I was gonna say that. Didn't happen.